Is time travel possible? A journey to the edge of science. Part 1. What is time travel? To answer whether time travel is possible, first we have to figure out what it even means. Time travel means moving between different points in time, just like we move through space. It's a popular theme in science fiction. Back to the Future, Interstellar, Tenet. But beyond the movies, scientists have been seriously exploring the idea. So, is it just fantasy, or could it be real? Part 2. Einstein and the Theory of Relativity. In 1905, Albert Einstein introduced the theory of special relativity, which changed everything. He showed that time isn't fixed. It can slow down or speed up depending on how fast you're moving. This is called time dilation. If you travel close to the speed of light, time slows down for you compared to someone on Earth. This means traveling to the future is theoretically possible, and it has already been measured with astronauts on the International Space Station. For them, time really does pass a little slower than us Earthbound folks. So, traveling to the future is a scientific fact. It's just very, very slow. In order to travel 1 year into the future, an astronaut would have to travel at a speed of around 86,000 miles per hour. To travel 100 years into the future, they'd have to travel at almost twice the speed of sound. So for now, it's easier to travel to the future by staying on Earth and getting really old. But if we want to travel to the past, we need to think even bigger, or smaller. Part 3. Wormholes and traveling to the past. Traveling to the past requires some serious sci-fi concepts like wormholes. Remember those tunnels through space-time? They're theoretical shortcuts that connect two very distant points in space-time. If one end of a wormhole is in the past and the other in the future, time travel would be possible. But here's the catch. We haven't found one yet. And even if we did, we'd need something called exotic matter to keep the wormhole stable. Exotic matter has negative mass energy, and while we haven't found any, scientists are searching for it. In theory, we might be able to create it using the Large Hadron Collider. Once we have the exotic matter, the wormhole will be within our grasp. Then all we have to do is find a way to make it big enough to fit a spaceship. And don't worry, it won't collapse before we can use it. Thanks to its negative mass energy, exotic matter keeps the wormhole open indefinitely. Of course, all of this is still in the realm of science fiction. We haven't discovered exotic matter yet, so traveling to the past hasn't been proven possible. Plus, wormholes have some weird side effects like requiring infinite energy to create. But that hasn't stopped science fiction fans from dreaming of traveling to the past. Part 4. Paradoxes and problems. Time travel to the past isn't just sci-fi, it's also full of paradoxes. What happens if you go back in time and prevent your parents from meeting? Would you cease to exist? These paradoxes have led to some wild theories about how time works. Some scientists say that time travel creates alternate timelines or parallel universes. That means you could travel back in time and prevent your parents from meeting without erasing yourself from existence, because you'd simply cease to exist in that universe. Other scientists disagree, saying that this creates too many logical headaches. Either way, we don't know for sure. Time travel to the past may seem impossible, but scientists continue to explore theories that make it possible. Conclusion. Time travel sits at the edge of science and imagination. It's not possible yet, but the theories are out there. Maybe one day we'll walk the streets of ancient cities or witness the birth of stars. What do you think? Will time travel ever become reality? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content from EduVerse channel. Until next time, keep asking questions.